Pen tasking developed by Finks app weighing less than 4 MB. It's a very simple application for multitasking. With this application pen tasking, we can switch application better. We can multitask on very good platforms and applications. We have just to click it. We can delete it, and we have settings here. So switching application made easier with pen tasking. Photoshop Express developed by Adobe. As expected from Adobe, this application is also as wonderful as Adobe Photoshop CS6 or 5 available on Windows PC. Okay, this application is less than 40 MB and affordable photo editing software available on Android device. Let us do a photo editing in a quick time-lapse video. ZUI days countdown timer, a very simple application for countdown of days. It's only 4.39 megabytes. To keep an eye on your days, how old I am, or something ahead of the present, and how many days old I am. 6,553 days. Well, that's a lot of days. So these things all plus days are old. They are before, means past, and this 20, 157, 53, they are ahead of present. So just like this, these things work. I must have application on your Android device, and as I'm noticing, ZUI is producing very good applications, and please stay tuned to ZUI developer. A very interesting game like this stays on the market forever, like Clash of Clans did. It became the theme of Android device. When you coming to game section, if somebody asks you, you have not played Clash of Clans, all are solved. That is the reaction. Oh my god, you have not played the Clash of Clans. That was the reaction. And after that, this game was launched, a pretty simple and easy application, not application game. It's like playing poker. Show your three cards like that and see what's the result. But we have time, 10 seconds. At last 60 seconds the time doubles up. Maximum we have 10 elixir. So this game you should play if you are a Clash of Clan lover. So thank you. I came across this video of Mark Zuckerberg.
I'm just sitting here coding my little AI project, kind of like my own version of Jarvis. And no, I haven't also built an Iron Man suit. I'm using this app Masquerade that lets you put real-time filters on your videos. And today I'm excited to share
this application Masquerade or MSQRD was recently launched in Android device.
that the team behind Masquerade is joining Facebook. So I want to offer a big welcome, guys. Alright, now back to coding my AI.
Masquerade MSQRD developed by Masquerade Technology, who recently joined Facebook as said by Mark Zuckerberg. He used this application, but in Android device it is still in beta stage. So there would be problem if you guys use it. So what's the harm? Just for fun you can use it. It is only 28.38 megabytes, and we expect something like this because live filters are there and they are not so cheap. Owl screen dimmer developed by Evojon, a very good application for night Android device user weighing only 1.21 megabytes. A very good application to protect your eyes when you are using your device at night. The white light on your device may harm your eyes, but Night Owl saves your right. So screen dimmer, it dims your screen as you shift this one at night changes. Such dim it can be, but at this rate you cannot read anything. So little lighter would be much preferred. So the night owls, I suggest you to use this application, and mostly we all use Android device after 12 midnight because it's the fun time. The gesture launcher, developed by Carlos Moreira de la Chica. The name's little catchy, but you will able to pronounce it if you practice it, but there's no need. The application is less than 7 megabytes and it is a very easy to use application. It is the exact replica of an application or a device that claim that with gestures you can control your device. So here's the thing, it's the whiteboard, you can click it and just input any kind of gesture you want, but that's not a gesture, that's a random thing. Again you press it, the whiteboard's gone, you can delete it, sorry, you can delete it. And here on the notification, I suggest you guys to use this one because it actually controls your device. If you are a lazy, no offense guys, but if you are little complicated with things, this might work for you well. And uh, talking about the lazy, Bill Gates said that I'm searching for the laziest person in the world because he said that the laziest person finds the easiest way, and Bill Gates need the easiest way to the hardest problem. So laziest guy, cheer up. Quality Time, my digital diet, developed by Zero Desktop Incorporated or Inc. Dot. So, what does this application basically do? It's like a smart menu that keeps eye on your device. The application is less than 6 megabytes, 5.6 megabytes, and I know you can afford it if you are running on mobile data. And if it's Wi-Fi, you are unlimited. So you might see something like this. You don't go crazy with this because it's on the statistics, and I suggest you guys that this statistics may be incorrect or differ by something, but it is not so accurate, I suggest. Okay, so this application keeps record what kinds of application use and for how many duration or what duration you use the application. So I used YouTube for 135, like that. It keeps an eye on everything what I do. So it keeps also that how much I took a 43-minute break, 12 minutes break. So I constantly play with my device, so the break is little less. So I suggest you guys to use this application to keep eye on your device, and it's a digital light. Daily Curiosity, developed by curiosity.com, a very easy to use application just like 8 facts. This application is 13.17 megabytes, and this application gives you facts daily, and these facts are just way above the sky. So what is this thing? I don't know this guy. So, can you solve the infinite hotel paradox? This lesson featured in TEDx, a very nice one. Scientologists believe, and yeah, shit. These are the applications and tap to learn. This thing is just awesome. If you want to learn something out of the earth, you might be needing this.
Let it go.